We spoke to ENIL on their numbers, before that Aston TM. Now let's listen in to the management at Petronet LNG, Prabhat Singh, who is confident that the company will be able to clock in strong volume growth in the coming quarter.
For next quarter, as far as Petronet is concerned, at Dahej, we are doing at 112% capacity and we anticipate will remain there. And at Kochi, definitely we are doing around 1 million tons of LNG, but it would remain in the same bracket. And if we are lucky, we may go slightly higher. But by and large, wherever we are in this quarter, perhaps we would maintain that.
So what is the pricing scenario going to be like, and what's the outlook for demand for LNG?
No, pricing scenario, like I said, there are two ways. No, one is that you have the long-term gas. So long-term gas, to that extent, is going to be available on index to whatever Brent and etc. what has been there. And the other is the spot, and spot has been luckily low. And in the last quarter, right now also it is some 3.95 or dollars per MMBTU. So $4 plus minus is where it is hovering. And I anticipate that in the coming quarters also it should be there, except that towards December, January, etc., there is a trend for the prices to increase. But let's see what happens this time.
So what's the progress of expansion in the domain of retail? As you had spoken about the Delhi-Mumbai region, there have been developments which have taken place. Kindly shed some light on them.
The retail of LNG, which is actually very, very conducive for the long distance heavy duty trucks basically, and the intercity buses. So effectively, I would say that is one market which is going to pick up now. There is great arbitrage there. There is great advantage to the environment there. And we have actually now come very close to the execution part of a pilot which we are running from Delhi to Bombay.